So before to that, I will introduce myself. I'm Annadurai here. I'm the tutor or the trainer for this particular program, and I'm having around 19 years of experience in IT software, basically into the testing. Okay, even I have different roles played earlier, and then now currently I'm a test manager, and earlier even I have the experience of doing the test delivery assurance manager for the leading IT companies in UK. So that's what, and even I'm not even I can say that our people under Sri Ram, our director, we have our set of people like talented people or the highly skilled people for the training program. So that's what our brief background. So maybe just I want to know about your background, Visali, if possible. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Just your background. No need to much. Yeah.
I'm nothing done anything in IT.
No worries. Don't worry. Yeah, nothing to worry because whatever now, just now I completed one particular batch and joined this one for the demo. You no need to bother because now though everyone are non-IT, now those people are started doing the automation part. Okay. So you no need to worry whether you are already aware of anything IT, non-IT, because our course syllabus are framed for the basic non-IT people, Visali. Nothing to worry on that. Got it?
Okay.
Everything, notes, content, everything we are framed for the non-IT people. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, nothing to worry. Good. So, what wonderful, wonderful, very nice. No worries, Sally. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, don't worry. Only the thing is commitment. Okay, if you have the interest and the commitment, definitely we can. Nothing to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So maybe give me some more time because many people pinged us, but we are expecting them to join, Sally. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
What is the purpose of this particular training? Sadi, what is your interest and then the purpose of the training? What is the expectation basically? What is the expectation? What we are expected out of it? What we are expected out of it?
I want to know about this job, and and after that I can work at home, and I can.
Yeah, maybe there's the software tester engineer role. Okay, our expectation is we want to become the software test engineer, okay, the skill, because in the UK market we need the skill. In the UK market basically we need the skill. Okay, so in our program, in our training program, as you discussed already, we are not expecting anyone to be familiarized with your IT skills. Okay, completely, if you are available for the training program, from the scratch for the testing course, everything will be taught from our side. That too with expected to the UK job market. Okay, so the initial period you will be learning with the manual testing. Okay, initial period you will be learning with the manual testing. Then from the manual testing we will move towards the automation testing. Okay, because the more manual core concept is also important. The manual core concept also important. Got it, Visali? Okay, so Sweta joined.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, Sweta. Hello, Sweta. Able to hear me? Just want to confirm whether you are able to hear me or not, Sweta. Welcome to the demo. You are on mute.
She has some issues, Anna. She's
Okay,
trying
no
to
problem.
join. I think you can proceed further.
No problem, no problem. Okay. So the intention of this particular training is you want to gather the test automation skills. You want to gather the test automation skills. Okay, so how we are able to gather the information and the content means, as I told you, no need of any basic background. Suppose if you are already worked on any of the IT area or non-IT area, no need of any basic information or the knowledge. Definitely, we have designed our curriculum with respect to the UK job market. Okay, so the initial period we are going to cover. Okay, the initial period we are going to cover the manual part, but before to that, just I will explain about our organization. Okay, so many people already you are aware of the IT Talent Hub. Maybe you are already aware of the IT Talent Hub. Okay, so IT Talent Hub, it's a maybe if anyone not aware, it's very near to the Ilford railway station. It is very much walkable, less than 5 minutes of walkable distance from our Ilford railway station. Okay, so just Akhil, you are joined recently. Welcome, Akhil. Akhil.
Thank you.
Sudatan, yeah, please. So just now we are started. Okay, nothing. You are lost. Maybe I will cover it up. Okay, then I will come for the intro later. Just I will keep the high level information about the company and the content. Okay, so our IT Talent Hub is, yeah, great. So IT Talent Hub is the largest independent community of IK within the UK. Okay, training. We are basically providing the training services running more than 10 years in London, because our director, Mr. Sriram, okay, maybe the well-known person for many of the people. Okay, he already thought and then he delivered many candidates in the market. Okay, UK job market. So he is a very successful person in the training and then the placement of the people also, candidate also. That's what now over the people coming through over mouth only, maximum through the references to the internal student and the old student candidates, the references. Okay, so the office is in the Ilford, okay, UK. Office is in the Ilford, UK, which is, as I told, very much walkable, less than 5 minutes of journey or the distance from the railway station to the office. Okay, so we have also the dedicated recruitment team, and especially our major focus is training, networking, and recruitment. This is what our major focus towards the company organization objective. Okay, so we have our clients. These are all the major clients. Okay, Department of Education and Cocorio, LGP, nothing but London General Practice, and Myco, Test Partners, and the Transform. Even we have few more other clients, but we are just given with the only high level clients. Okay, so this is the success factor. Every month we have the success factor. This is the last month success factor on our job placement. It's not only training. We will also show the interest for the placements. Okay, so we will be also having the dedicated recruitment team where they will be helping you to identify and the placement of job. Okay, so if anyone asking that it is job guaranteed means, no, it's not like job guaranteed, but we are there to help you to make the success on getting the job. Okay, so that's what the success story. If you are seeing not only on the testing, you are able to see the lot of other factors also here, like lot of other areas also for the whoever the people got recently success. Okay, clear? Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
One second. Just a moment. Okay, right. So these are all the people, like not only testing, as I told, the data science or from the full stack, and a lot of other streams are available from our side, even full stack development. Okay, so a lot of other areas are available throughout all the areas, including testing. This is our placement data for the last month. Okay, so if you are asking, there will be some.
You're
Yeah.
not sharing the screen. I'm sorry.
Oh. Sorry for that. From the beginning, I just went over that. Okay, sorry for this. Okay. So, once again, so this is what our
Yeah.
IT Talent Hub. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, so already I have discussed about this is what IT Talent Hub. We are the largest independent community in UK, and then we have already running more than 10 years of association in London. Okay, and then even we have our major focus is on the training, networking, and recruitment, and it's very near to the Elizabeth train station, railway station. And these are all our clients. These are all our clients, like Department for Education, Cocorio, LGP, Myco, Test Partners, Transform. Okay, and then this is what our success story I told. No, like different people from the different streams are placed in last month in the various organization. This is what our success story. Okay, and then even if there will be some specific differentiation and the unique properties for our IT talent hub. Yes, what are all those means? Definitely we can say that our trainer are highly skilled, like maximum experience. Like my experience is now around 19 years. Like that, all the trainers are not only they are only the trainer, they are also working in the real projects in the UK with the different company, top level companies, and also they are fascinated to do the trainings. That's what. Okay, and the curriculum is already designed especially with the UK job market. Minimum normally we are placing 10 plus student every month. Okay, even I showed the data earlier in the previous slide. Okay, exclusively we have the job support team for you. Once the training got completed, they will help you to prepare yourself for the job placements. Okay, and then even for some of the job approach, you will be even getting the job consultancy detail, and then specifically you have the trainer to be just to give the additional support for the doing the project and then successing on the job career. Okay, right. But that is like a premium option. Okay, job support premium option. Dedicated recruitment team, yes, we have. And live project, we will be given with the live project after your initial training got completed, then interview preparation, and then even if anything needed, certification based training means later on if you want to do any ISTQB or whatever, that is the theoretical part. Even you can able to take care by providing small additional information. But that is again, ISTQB is the theoretical separate part. Okay, so software, whatever now we are going to cover is what are all the testing concept, how to do the basically about what is a software testing. Okay, so basically if you want to understand, if I want to ask you what is called software testing and why we are here, what is the purpose? What is the purpose? As I told, we want to everyone to become a software test engineer. Everyone to become a software test engineer. Okay, so how you will be becoming a test engineer, software test engineer? How we want to learn the skills. We want to learn the skills. So our curriculum is especially designed from the scratch. Like initially we will go from the manual testing. Like what is our manual testing? How you want to learn the manual testing? Like different testing concept, like what is the principles of testing? There are some 7 principles why the testing is needed, and then you will be learning about what is the application architecture, how the different application architecture will be available. Suppose simply, do anyone knows that if I'm asking you here, suppose I'm going with Amazon application or any other application, suppose anyone. So what is that? What is the Amazon application?
Sorry, I missed your question. This is Akhil.
What is this, Akhil? I opened one particular application. What is this?
I'm not able to see your screen, unfortunately.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So yeah. So what is this? What is this?
It's Amazon.
Amazon application. Okay.
Web application.
A web application. So this is called the front-end application. This is called the front-end application. Okay. So why we are calling this as a front-end application, or other terminology also we will say this as a user interface. Why we are calling this as a front-end application or the user interface? Maybe I'm getting some background. Sorry for this. I'm getting some background noise. Okay, so front-end application or the user interface. Okay, so why we are calling this as a front-end or user interface? Because through this only we are able to connect with the servers. Okay, even in your training, the initial session only, I will be able to taking care of you just for the high level understanding on what is the application architecture. Okay, how the application architecture will work. See here, Okay, as a user, you are accessing with the front-end application, and then through the front-end application, I'm reaching to the Amazon web server, and what is the database backend, and how the API testing will work for you. Okay, these concepts also you will be covered, because this is the basic application architecture, how the web application will work. Even as a test engineer, you are responsible to do the mobile application testing. Even as a test engineer, you are responsible. I cannot say that always everyone will be going through the web application. No. Yes. Also, we have the mobile device to do the open the application and work on the application. Okay. So now the company is expecting you to do both web and mobile application testing. Okay. So the mobile application, how to do the mobile application through the manual testing, we will be explaining you, and then you are able to do that. Okay, fine. So as a test engineer, you want to understand about how to work on the web application, how to work on the mobile devices for the application, and what is a database, and how you want, as a test engineer, what is your responsibility on the database testing, and what is your responsibility on the API testing also. Clear? Maybe you can ask, what is API? It's an application programming interface where one channel to the another channel, there is a communication. It will be the bridge between communicating the standard format between one application to the another application. But now don't worry. These are all the things you are going to learn. These are all the things you are going to learn. Okay. And even in the testing, what are all the levels of testing? What are all the types of testing? From the beginning, how to understand the requirement, how to understand the requirements, and then how to understand the requirements, then how to write the test cases, how to write the test cases, how to write a test plan, how to write the test cases, how to do the test execution. Okay, initially you will be covered through the Excel. Okay, initially you will understand how to write the test cases through Excel. Okay, so this is the initial standard format. You will be able to understand what is a test scenario, how to write the test scenario, what is a test case. Okay, and how to write the test cases before for the testing. This is a template. I will explain you everything. Then even there are something like a defect is coming up, how to raise the defect in the Excel template. Initially, you will understand in the Excel format. Later on, you will be moving towards the tool. Okay, once you are familiar with the Excel, then you will be moving towards the Jira tool. You will moving towards the Jira tool. Okay, so what is a Jira tool? What is the purpose? Anyone aware of Jira tool? Anyone aware of Jira tool? Anyone?
Yeah,
It's a management tool.
Yeah, management, defect management tool, all the defect logging and all those things will be done.
Exactly, Akhil. I can say that on top of it, it's like the overall management tool, not only for the defect management, even it's a project management tool, because completely you can able to run the Agile project in this Jira. Completely you can able to run the Agile projects in Jira. Understood? Yes. Okay, because see, in the project management, even you have to understand initially, even you will be able to understand with SDLC, SDLC lifecycle. What is a SDLC? What is a software development lifecycle? Okay, so what is called software? What is called software? It's a set of program, no? How the Amazon application is working on? How the Amazon application is working on? It's a set of program developed for the user need, user expectation, correct? It's a set of program. So software is the set of program. Then what is called software is the set of program developed for user requirements. Then what is software testing? Then what is software testing? We are going to validate the application is working as per the customer need. We are going to validate the software is working as per the customer need. That's what the tester responsibility. Okay, so that's what the tester responsibility. So software is the set of program which is developed with respect to the customer requirement. Software testing is the person, we are the person going to validate whether it is really working as per the customer requirement or not. Am I clear? Okay, with respect to the testing, there are some approaches and strategy. Clear? Okay, fine. For that, to do the development, these are all the phases. I need to have the requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Everything you will be able to understand in the syllabus, as per the syllabus. Then you have to also understand testing. If you are the test engineer, we want to do the testing. In this testing phase, how exactly we will be following the STLC lifecycle. STLC lifecycle is nothing but software testing lifecycle. We want to understand the requirement, test planning, test cases, environment, then execution. Then you have to close the test cycle closer. Okay. Also, nowadays people are very much interested on the agile. People are very much interested on the yes, agile. Okay, so they want you to work on, they want you to work on in the agile process, okay. So the Jira is also very much flexible with the agile process. Okay, so and the agile process means it's like the fast development to the market. Why we are using agile? Anyone? Why we are using agile? The agile methodology, the agile is a framework. That framework is helping the people to develop the application very fast, compatible, and which is the standard one with the high technology. Then it will be delivered fast to market. Okay, it is delivered fast to market using which framework? Agile framework. Okay, so even we have something called waterfall, agile, then the other project delivery model. Definitely you are going to learn all of these major delivery models, but especially you will be understanding clearly on how the agile delivery model will work in the real production environment, in the real application or the office work environment. Am I clear? Okay, so you will be understanding about who is a scrum master, product owner, the team, and how the really the daily activity will happen in the agile delivery model. Fine. Till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Yes. Visali,
No.
Sweta,
No, sir.
Akhil. Okay, Sweta, maybe you are unable to respond. Akhil, you are on mute, Akhil.
I'm good to go.
Good to go. Okay, fine. Okay,
yeah.
Fine. Okay. So basically, initially, everything based on the testing purpose. Okay. As a test engineer, what is the concept we want to understand? Like the how to do the testing and what is the testing techniques. Maybe while writing the test cases only, we will also explain about something like boundary value analysis, equivalence class partitioning, why the testing is important, because the conditions, the how to check the exact conditions with the quality. Okay, that's what the testing techniques is coming up. Test case design techniques is coming up, and also on top of it, what are all the levels of testing, types of testing. Okay, everything is important. Suppose I cannot say that I have just executed the test cases. No, even though I have additionally also responsible to do the ad hoc testing, exploratory testing, risk-based testing. Okay, so you people also want to empower on all those concepts. Okay, in the initial manual testing. So manual testing also covered with completely how to understand the requirement, how to write the test cases, how to execute the test execution. Okay, how to do the test execution. See, this is what STLC model. Here completely you will understand the requirement, test planning, test case development, then test execution. Okay, everything will be covered as part of the syllabus. Okay, and then once you are done with the manual level, like using the Excel, even how to raise the defect, then only we are moving towards the Jira tool to understand the same thing working with Jira, because now the 90% of the companies are working with Jira only. Jira is the tool. So if you are seeing that I'm an experienced person, they will expect you to work on the Jira. So how really, as per the agile environment, the Jira is working, you will be able to understand in the training. Okay. So how to create the task, how to create the requirement, how to create the test cases, how to execute the test cases. Okay, see here. Here we have the test cases prepared, and then we are even executed the test cases. See, go to test cycle. Okay, here we are created the test, and then we are even executed the test. Even we are executed the test. See here, the test is executed, passed, where is the execution, and where is your evidences. Everything you will be able to understand, and how to map the requirement, what is the test coverage. Okay, using the tool, because now this is what expected out of you. Okay, you are going to set up the Jira, you will work on the Jira. Okay, for at least 2 sessions, you will be setting up and then working with the Jira. Clear? Any doubt with the Jira? What is the purpose? As a test engineer, your responsibility is to create the test cases. Okay, create, see here, board, Jira board, all the activity for the sprint. Sprint is nothing but that particular activity in that particular agile sprint, agile cycle. Okay, how the tester developer will work exactly, that will be also you will understand from the syllabus, and then exactly how you will be working with Jira also you will aware of it. Using Jira you will create the test cases, test the execution, as I showed. Through the execution, if anything is failed, how to create the defect, how to track the defect, everything you can able to understand from Jira. See here, the Jira will allow you to create everything. Like see here, story, task, and then even you will find the other options. Okay, see here, bug is defect. Okay, scenario, and then test cases, we have the separate area, Cypher's code, we can able to create from there. Defect creation is bug. Task means what are all the things you are doing. Okay, test case preparation, test execution, defect, doing ad hoc testing, everything is the individual task. But Jira is not only for the test engineer, everyone. So the developer also having development task, tester may having the testing task. Clear everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Till now any question? Till now any question, ma? No? Can you move?
Yes,
Can you
please.
move? Okay, right. Right. Okay. So here, okay. So what is the software basics methodology? Okay, different delivery methodology. Okay, so what are all the different testing types? Agile methodology I have just explained. Then what is Gherkin and what is a BDD test process? Okay, it's a behavior driven development. Instead of complex, even though if you are doing automation also, I can write some basics of clearly understandable format of the test scenarios. Then I can go for the next stage for the automation. That's what the, because the non-technical people, even the product owner or the business analyst, can clearly understand the BDD test process and the scenarios. Okay, that's what we are following, BDD, and how to raise the defect, bug, and even in Excel or in the tool, Jira tool. Okay, so how you want to do the mobile testing also. Okay, after that, even we are extending this to the automation. Okay, once you are done with the manual testing, then we will go towards the automation. Okay, Jira and Cypher's code also I have showed you. Then we will move towards the basics of Java, understanding on basics of Java. What is the basics of Java and the content, and then how you are exactly doing the browser automation, and what is a Selenium, and how in the simple script, how you will open up and then you will execute the Selenium. See, the manual testing, nothing a big rocket science. Basically, even you don't want to fear for the automation. Just now, I have opened up one particular content. Okay, suppose now here, okay, just is a simple script. I will just open a simple script. Okay, you are able to see my script. Okay, so it's just a high level. Okay, so now just understand. Now I want to open a browser. Just I want to open a browser. In the manual testing, I have written my test case. I have written my test case in the manual testing, correct? So manual testing, normally we are writing the test cases. Okay, so in that writing the test cases, the tester is writing, open the browser, click on the link. Yes, able to follow me? In the manual testing, what we are doing, we are writing, even though here are the Jira, it's a manual testing. We are writing the test step. What is the tester has to do? Open the browser, enter this, do that. Correct? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
But now the same thing, I don't want to do it manually. Now, after reading this, I have to open the browser manually. See here, I have to open the browser. Okay. Then I will say that google.com, maybe I will say that google.com. Okay, google.com. Then after this, I want to search something. I want to enter. Okay. Now the same thing I can able to do through the browser. I can able to do through the automation. I can able to do through the same thing I can able to do through the automation. Okay, how we can able to do through the automation? How we can able to do through the automation? I have to write a simple script. I have to write a simple script. This one is for to open the browser. This one is to pass the URL. This one is to maximize the browser. This one is to click the button. This one is to send some text. This one is to send some another text. Got it? Okay. Then enter. Click on enter. Then it will be executing the content. It will be executing the content. See here. Just if I want to execute here. Okay. Suppose if I want to just type it, I open and just type something such. Okay. So just run it. I don't want to do anything. The script will run. It will open up the browser. It will enter the text. See here. I'm not doing it anything. See, the browser will open now. Okay. The browser is opening now. Okay, see the browser is opening now by default, and then it will keep the URL. Okay, URL google.com. Then I have just given that particular link, and then here I just trying to enter some content. That's it. Okay. After this, I'm not performing anything. Even if I'm clicking on here with the search button, it will search. Okay, but I'm not done anything. That's it. It's got completed. Clear? But I'm not done anything manually now. Agree? But who is written the script? We are writing the script, but the execution is multiple time we can do the execution. Multiple time we can do the execution. Clear? Able to follow me, please?
Yes.
Anyone, Mark?
Yes.
Okay. So it's not the rocket science. Only thing is you have to understand what to do. That's it. Okay. Even now the current market expectation is they are not expecting you to be only the manual tester. They are expecting you to be an automation test engineer. Okay. Even as I told you in the previous batch also, people are completely non-IT only. Okay. Now everyone are doing a very good program. So it's not like they are unable to do, but only the thing is interest. Only the thing is interest. Clear? Even we will cover the initial before to that, what is a basic Java, core Java, and then the Selenium, how to work on the Selenium, and then the different framework. Okay. And what is exactly you have to do a small sample web page and then how to work on that. Clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt till now? Okay. So that's what that's the coverage. So manual Java, because Java is the programming language needed for the Selenium. Okay. Yes. So manual Java and then the Selenium part. Clear, everyone?
Yes. Are we
Yes.
going to discuss about Cucumber as well?
Yeah. Cucumber is a framework. Definitely BDT Cucumber by default it will come.
Okay.
Okay. See, if you want to use Cucumber, see here, I will show you. See now, as you are asked here. Okay, I'll just open up the project. See here. See here. You are able to see this one, no? Okay. As I have installed with the Cucumber, okay, then only it's able to understand the Cucumber and then the feature file.
Okay.
Got it? The format. Okay. Otherwise, it won't understand. Okay. It's a framework. Okay. It's a Cucumber is a feature. Using the Cucumber, I can write the scenarios and the feature files. Okay. This is like the intermediate. This is like even you want to do the manual testing using this, I can do the manual testing. Got it? But how this is becoming automation means based on this scenario and the Cucumber feature, the test scenario, I need to write the related step definitions. See here, whatever the code, suppose from here, whatever the code, okay, I will show you the difference. Okay, see here. Now, okay. Suppose here, I'm just keeping it here. Okay, so now you are able to see now. See here, whatever here you are written, no, see, given, when, then, and. So everything here we are written the code this side. Okay, but this is almost like a manual part. Even before to the automation script, if I want, I can just do the manual. But after this, I can go towards the automation script. Then even if I have the Cucumber, I can run the script from here. It will again invoke the test code from this particular program, related program. Understood?
Yes.
This is what BDD Cucumber framework. BDD Cucumber framework. Okay.
Okay.
It's simplicity, because I cannot show this particular one to my business user. Business user doesn't aware of the code. For the business user, I can just only show this piece where they can able to understand easily. Given I navigated to the site, when I fill out, when I selected the date, when I submitted the form, they will easily understand. Got it? Yes, sir? Any questions? Akhil?
I just have a doubt. Like, are we going to take it like a parallelly manual testing and automation testing together, or
No,
is it
no,
like
that
a
work
different
that won't
sections?
work, Anil. First, we will complete the manual, then we will learn the Java, then we will go to the Selenium. How to convert into automation is the automation part. Nothing else. Remaining everything, the manual tester only having the brain to do.
Exactly.
That's it. Okay, fine, fantastic, good. So, anyone having any questions, ma? Any doubt? Sweta, Visali. Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, okay, good, good, good. So I will go towards the next part. Okay. So this is what we will cover with the framework, even what is TestNG, what is BDD Cucumber, how to write the script. Okay. Even I will tell you another one thing also, Akhil. See, nowadays we have even AI integrated with the AI. Now I can say that you have to very well say that I'm a automation test engineer trained with the AI also, artificial intelligence also. Got my point?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
RPA also,
See,
I'm doing a certification in RPA as well because I
okay,
have some
okay,
hands-on on
okay,
RPA, but that
okay.
is also very much demanding now.
Demanding. Okay, okay. So the thing is, now we need to understand how effectively we are using the technology. Got it? Huh? See, we have something add-on tools also for the AI. Okay, even it is not expected you to write everything. Okay, suppose I want to type anything. Okay, see here. Suppose I am just creating any maybe method. Okay, I'm just saying that int a. Okay, int n. Okay, int n. Okay, and then I can say that void. Okay, see. Okay, something. Okay, even I if I want to run anything. Okay, the many suggestion I can able to get it from the AI. Okay, suppose here I want to type something. Okay, see here, suppose after this I want to enter something driver dot. Okay, see here, close is by default showing up. Yes, like that I don't want to close. Okay, it's like very much customized and very much user friendly now with the tool. Okay, even many of the things, if you are installed with the AI, you will be able to get all the related code by default. Okay. Now I have used deleted multiple times. That's what it's not coming. Even you can able to get the code by default using the in AI. AI, artificial intelligence will guide you for the program. You don't want to worry about much. Clear, everyone?
So is it built in this application? I mean, in the Selenium, like it is suggesting you?
Sorry.
Is it you just mentioned about AI and it is
Mm,
getting you
mm.
are getting the, I mean the it is getting predicted.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
how
yeah.
does it work?
Yeah.
Is it something else you have installed with the tool or is it inbuilt?
Exactly, exactly. I have installed it with the Codium. Codium is the
Okay.
AA plugin. Codium is the AA
Okay. Okay.
plugin. So using Codium, that will be okay. But by
Oh,
default,
okay.
IntelliJ
Okay.
won't have.
Okay.
Codium is the
Okay.
additional AI feature, AI plugin. So
Uh-huh.
then it will understand and it will recognize. And then you normally, if you are doing a 2 hours of work, then here it is half an hour or maybe 50%. You can save at least 1 hour.
Wow.
Got it? It will be plug and play. That's it. Suppose
because my concern is like I'm very bad in coding. So if something a tool like
no,
this
no,
is
no,
there,
no, you will find a very convenient way. See here, just I'm going here. Suppose I want to write something. Okay, so anything, suppose driver dot, okay, anything, you will get all the options, find element by. Okay, see here, now coming up, see here, suggestions.
Okay.
It is the understanding based on the sequence, you may do this activity.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to take a tab, just a tab. Okay. If you want to change, then you have to change. But we need to understand the concept. I'm not saying that you don't want aware of the concept, but suggestion will be there always.
Okay. So one more question. This Codium, is it a paid or something like companies?
No, like free, totally free.
Free. Okay.
Free. For us, we can just install, we can use it. Codium. Yeah. Okay. Like this, we have other tool also, but this is also one of the best tool. See, we can use the technology. That's it. Now, even you can very well say that I'm like an automation engineer. I can handle with AI.
That is great.
Correct. No, the productivity for the other people and yours is different. No.
Correct.
Yeah. See, only one thing. Suppose now the same place. Maybe I can go here. See here. I will show you one small example. Sorry for that. Maybe see here. I'm just going here. Okay. So now I'm there in here day one program. Okay. The same one. I'm just creating another program, fresh program. Okay. Okay. Got it? Okay. Just I'm coming here. Okay. Then I'm writing a main method. Just click on main. Okay. Then I can just say that Webdriver. Okay. See, I'm not writing anything. By default, code is showing you are expecting this one. Yes, I want this one only. Understood? Huh?
Yes, I got it.
See, tab. Okay, Chrome driver, I have to import. That's it. Okay, import the class. That's it. Done. Now next line. Just I have entered. Maybe it is asking driver.get. You want to take the Google URL. Okay, yes, tab it. Next, I want to maximize the window. Driver.manage.window. It will show you. If you don't want to escape, okay, like that. I want to driver.close, driver.find element by. Because this is the element related to Google, it is suggesting. Got it again? So now definitely you can compare your productivity. Yes.
Yes.
That's what technology. We have to use the technology. That's it. Okay. So can you move forward? Okay. Yeah. So again, so we have the job placement support, CV support, and real-time project and review. Okay. So here we have two things. One is like a professional service, and another one is the normal one. Okay. So whatever you want, you can able to try to use it, whether it's the normal one or the professional one. Okay. So the professional one is the paid one. Okay. For the job support approach, after the 2 months, then you will be finding that particular support. They will be assessed, and then you will be given with the job support services. Okay. In the job support services, okay, in the job support services, it will be like available with the client project mentor, and then you will be getting the support from the our company people will interact with the recruiter and get the jobs, and then they will be assigning with the task, and then they will be training you, or they will be giving the options how to apply for those things. Okay. There are two things. One is premium, non-premium. Premium one, you will get all the major services. In the non-premium, they will guide you to how to go about it. Okay. So CV preparation and interview preparation and how to apply, how to maybe the update the CV for the different particular job also, they will able to guide you. Okay. In the job support program. And then this is what, okay, training. So we have weekday and weekend program, and then this is the fee structure. Okay, so this is the fee structure, and remaining, you don't worry, you can talk to our coordinator. They will be able to explain you all the details. Okay, so better always we will recommend you to take down this number. Okay, take down this number, and even you can talk to our coordinator. They will be able to help you. Got it? So even I will just okay. ping you this one and take a photo also for this one if needed. Okay, and then Ram is our director and his contact number, his phone and email ID also. We have these many courses with us. Okay, other courses also. And then this is a detail. Okay, so if possible, I just now hand over to Nilima now. But before to that, any questions for me, please? Anyone, any questions for me? Visali, Sweta, Akhil.
Oh, you're good to
Are we
go.
good? Well, then definitely that too with your experience, you can have a good job. Okay, that's it. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Any doubt? No problem. No problem. Okay. You are welcome. Okay. Fine then. Talk to you soon. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any other things? Okay. So have a good afternoon, maybe. Yeah. Have a good Sunday, good
Thank
afternoon.
you, Anna.
You all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon then. Okay. Thank you, Manigima.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Anna.
everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Visali, Sweta, Akhil.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye, ma. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.